Southeast Asian Games for the 30th time, celebrating the Games of Southeast Asia. Mabuhay kayong lahat!
Nagulat naman to.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Southeast Asian Games Federation flag is carried by Lydia de Vega Mercado, Asia's fastest woman for 8 years.
Tinatay na pinakabilis na babae sa Asia ng 8 taon.
Akiko Thompson Guevara, swimming, 7-time SEA Games gold medalist.
7 beses na nagpalit ang medalyang ito sa SEA Games.
Eric Buhay, swimming, 15-time SEA Games gold medalist.
7 beses na nagpalit ang medalyang ito sa SEA Games.
Alvin Patrimonio, basketball, and SEA Games gold medalist.
4 beses nagigilang ng MVP ng PBA. Nanalo ng medalyang ito sa SEA Games.
Bong Kuhn, bowling, 4-time world champion.
4 beses na naging pangdaigdigang kampiyon.
Efren Bata Reyes. Consuelo Antonio Velasco, boxing. Gold medalist and Olympic silver medalist.
2 beses nagkamit ng medalyang ginto sa SEA Games at medalyang pila sa Olympics.
Rafael Paeng Nepomuceno. 6-time world champion.
6 beses na naging pandaigdigang kampiyon.